All right, we have another very special edition of our fridge magnets. We have our first magnet hand delivery all the way from Fort Saskatchewan, Alberta. We have Carla from Country Chic. Tell us about the magnet you brought.
Well, we are huge office fans at Country Chic, so we have one that says "Mo money, mo problems." We're small business owners. We know what that's all about.
Pop it on.
Woo! Let's put her there. Oh, we're gonna move these guys. We need to be front and center with some Michael Scott.
Thank you, Carla.
Thank you.